Welcome to this tutorial on editing your Contact Us page text in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to log in, navigate to the correct sections of your website, and make the necessary changes so that your visitors can easily reach out to you. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the WordPress website. This takes you directly to the WordPress homepage where you can start the process of editing your Contact Us page. Once the homepage is loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the login option. Clicking on this will prepare you for the secure sign-in process that follows. After clicking the login button, the next action is to use the account shortcut provided by WordPress. Look for the option that says continue with Google, and once you click on that, you will need to choose the correct account that you wish to use to access your website. This method is a convenient way to securely access your WordPress account without the need to manually enter your credentials each time, allowing you to focus on customizing your site more quickly. Once you have successfully logged in, your next destination is the Pages section. To reach this area, you simply need to navigate to the Pages zone on your WordPress dashboard. This part of the dashboard is where you will manage all the different pages on your website. By selecting Pages, you ensure that you are in the right place to either edit an existing Contact Us page or create a new one. For those who need to create a new page, look toward the option that allows you to add a page. Clicking on Add Page is straightforward and sets up the framework where you can begin designing your Contact Us page. Upon clicking the Add Page option, you will be presented with a text editor and various tools to create your page. At this point, start by entering the title of your new page as Contact Us. Choosing this title ensures that your visitors will immediately recognize the purpose of the page when they navigate your website. Now that your page is properly titled, the next step is to add the rest of the details. This is your opportunity to fully customize the Contact Us page. You can include contact forms, maps, text instructions, or any other information that you believe will assist your visitors in getting in touch with you. Use the available design tools to personalize the layout, style the text, add images, and include any other creative elements that align with your website's overall look and feel. One practical tip is to remember that many themes offer built-in templates for contact forms, which can greatly simplify the process. If a template is available, it may be beneficial to use it as a starting point so that the page looks both professional and functional with minimal effort. After you have added all the necessary details and are satisfied with the design of your Contact Us page, your final task is to publish it. To do this, simply locate the Publish button, usually situated at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on Publish makes your new Contact Us page live, allowing your visitors to access the updated information immediately. By following these clear steps, you have successfully edited your Contact Us page in WordPress quickly and efficiently. Enjoy your newly updated page and the improved communication channel it creates for your audience.